We got the second eye on. We're gonna have to do a little adjusting. We're gonna be alright. Then we got a crooked eye. I ain't gonna put the hardener on here yet till we get all the eyes set. Now we're gonna move them on down here. Just on this side of the clamp. We got the third, fourth, and fifth. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the tip, which would be 6. We'll have 6. It's going to be a beautiful thing. We're going to wrap this rod, we're going to finish it. Now I'm not going to sit here and bore y'all with y'all watching me put eyes on these rods. We don't want a main burn. So I got the second wrap. This is an under wrap. We got an over wrap coming. That's why you see this thing jumping around like it's jumping around. I get it adjusted. And then I'll come back with an over wrap. And that'll be the tight wrap. Get them set. And I'm putting that in here. We're going to put that in here. And I got the eyes. Everything I need. This is going to be continued tomorrow. I need to go. Hasta la vista, baby. Otaka from the woods. Alright, mister. Here we go. That's one I just finished last night. Mounted it in the handle. It's all wrapped. A solid glass rod. It's my bass rod. That's what I fish with. I love solid glass. It's a little bit heavy, but not bad. It's an old 1000 Garcia on it. That's one of them. Here's another one. Here's my whip rod. That little rod right there, that's a spin fishing rod. Put it together myself. Shaped it, formed it, darkened it. It's all wrapped by me. I'll wrap it off. Solid glass. You take them old solid glass blanks and cut them down with sandpaper and a drill. Well, I got a lathe, but I mean you can. This is my casting rod right here. You got a little Bantam 10X on it. I got to change the line on. But that's another one I just did. I mean, it's nothing fancy. Just a good wrap rod ready to go. And that's what we're working on over here now. To be continued, y'all. We got the third eye on it. We're going to finish it up. We got the tip and we got to do the handle. And we ain't decided on the handle for them yet. But that right there is solid glass. Solid glass. Through and through, solid glass. That's what I like. I like my casting rods to be solid. I use hollow glass. But when I'm bass fishing, I like that solid glass, baby. It's tough. It's tough enough. Anyway. That's another one. We turn them out as we go. We're still working on that damn boat out there. I'm fixing to make some P-rolls. That's coming. I got all this cypress. That's what this is laying on. Pretty little piece of cypress. Alright, y'all. To be continued. I hope y'all enjoy this. We're going to get to that Evan special over there after a while. My spinnerbait rod. But let me go. Look. I'll run these by you one more time. If I can keep them getting it all tangled up in each other, which is probably what I'm not going to do. That's a little 110. Damn quick on this rod. Love it. Great little reel. My little solid glass rods here, boys. They tough. and I love them. And it takes a pretty good whack with a car door to break one of them. But you got to tune them yourself. I mean, you get them old cheap blanks on the eBay steel. And you turn them down. You make some hellacious casting rods out of them, I'm telling you. Look. That's another one in waiting. It's an old solid glass rod, old cheap one. Had the old metal eyes twisted on it. I'll cut that one down. I have another one I'm working on right now. Here it is. Solid glass. Oh yeah. We like them. Make some good little rods. Great little worm rod right there. Love it. Wouldn't have it any other way. From the shop. In the wood. Working on them. That's a netting. Solid glass. To be continued. Thank y'all for watching. We shall return from the woods at the shop on Taco, y'all.